Good morning. Happy Friday. Thank you for joining me on this Fort Friday for today's Quest Bite. I have traveled to this beautiful treehouse for today's lesson because we're going to be learning about simple machines and why you need a pulley in your tree fort this summer. But first, let's play Spot the Quapple. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find it. The Quapple, of course, is our education logo in the bottom left corner of your screen, the apple with the Quest Q in it. So let me know if you're able to find it. Let me know in the comments if you're able to spot it before the time is up. About 15 seconds left. We'll let others join in to see if they can find it too. This treehouse was actually apparently in Issaquah, Washington, which kind of makes me want to go there. 5 seconds left. I kind of want to see this one in real life. You ready? And here is the answer. We're able to spot it over there in the trees, hiding. Thought it'd be too obvious it was hanging out on the deck of that treehouse, but if you found it, great job. If you didn't, better luck next week, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. We're not playing tomorrow. So today, though, we are going to be talking about simple machines. There are 6 notable simple machines. Do you know what they are? There is the wheel and axle, the lever, the inclined plane, the screw, the wedge, and of course the pulley, which we are going to love today. So how do these work? Since work is defined as a force acting on an object in the direction of motion, then a machine makes work easier by transferring that force from one place to another, changing the direction of a force, increasing the magnitude of a force, and increasing the distance and speed of a force. Simple machines have very few to no moving parts, and many of today's complex tools are just a combination of the 6 simple machines. So we're going to focus on the pulley because that's what we need to bring our snacks, my snacks in that box, into this treehouse with me. So let's say I'm up here now and I try to pull on this rope. Well, it's pretty heavy, and the only force I have working with me is me. And I don't know if I'm strong enough to lift all those snacks. I ordered some chips, I ordered some cookies, I ordered lots of stuff, and I want them all up here. So if I added a pulley to my treehouse right here, that's comprised of a wheel and axle, and the wheel has grooves along the edges to guide my rope up. That changes my load and effort so that when I start to pull down on this rope, the box easily raises into my treehouse, giving me my precious snacks. And the more pulleys you actually run your rope through, the easier it is to lift because I'm transferring and changing the direction of the force I need to do the work to pull up my snacks. But we won't be lifting boxes that need more than one pulley into our tree houses unless you're ordering some really big snacks or something else. I don't know what else you want in there. Maybe your video games. Don't lift any of your siblings in a pulley. You can also find pulleys on your parents' workout equipment or a ski lift. So let me know if you can think of any other places that you can find simple machines. 3D printers also use some 3D printers also use pulleys to get some of their work done. Now, you may not have a treehouse to try this on, but that's okay. We will put the instructions in the comments for you to make your own pulley at home. This will work for your stairs or really any surface that is higher than the ground. So be creative, have a great weekend, and send us your pictures if you're able to make a pulley. And let us know what you're trying to get up into your treehouse or up the stairs. Snacks? I'm all about the snacks today. Join us for Magic Mondays because we are going to be making ooze. And if you don't know what that is, then you need to join us Monday to see what it is and how you can make it at home. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.